Good morning. I am on a train to a town called what I used to think was called Wrocław, but it's actually pronounced Wrocław. 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 Something like that. I went out last night, I had a lot of beers, and I literally ran to the train station. I have no food or coffee, and it's like 8:15, and I have a little bit of a headache and I'm hungover, but it's Sunday and it's the perfect day to go sightseeing. And so I'm taking a train 3 hours away, 4 hours away, something like that. So I'm excited to check out another town in Poland. Here I am in Wrocław, and you would think I would have done some research on the train, but I didn't. One thing I like to do when I start out in a city is just go straight to the center, get some food, look at the old town, walk around, and then go from there. So I was going to walk to Market Square, but there's really nothing to see around here, and it's like a 30-minute walk from the train station, so I think I'm gonna get a taxi. Okay, I'm here in the center in the town square, and I'm going to go jump onto this free walking tour because there's not much else to do right now since it's raining. Paris isn't the only city of love. There's like tens of thousands of locks here on this bridge, but I wonder if they're going to tear it down like they did the one in Paris. I'll have to ask him. The sun has finally come out here in Wrocław. Trying not to fall. So a little bit about Wrocław. I'm getting it. I'm nailing it every time. I'm a little bit better every time. A little bit about this city. Its origins date back to about 142 AD. It is the fourth largest city in Poland. It has 21 islands, 12 rivers, and it's known for its beautiful town square. It's actually known for having one of the most beautiful town squares in all of Poland and possibly even all of Europe. I know Krakow is really nice as well, but this town square is known for having a lot of buildings lined up, and most of them have been rebuilt since World War II because unfortunately, just like with Warsaw, a large part of the city, the majority of the town square, I think it was somewhere between 80 and 90%, was destroyed during World War II. Also, a fun fact is that dwarves are their town mascot as of 12 years ago. So you can actually find 500 dwarf statues all over the city. This is the oldest bar in Europe. Climbing to the top of this cathedral. It's like 300 or 400 steps. Okay, first look. Ready? Oh wow. Oh man, this is worth it. So I know it looks like I'm in jail, but I'm actually at the top of the basilica. And apparently, well, it was 300 or 400 steps up a very windy staircase to get up here. But what I learned today in the free walking tour is that it used to be 130 meters higher. But back in the Middle Ages, the dome actually was poorly constructed and fell off the top of the church, squashing a black cat. And there was beef between the Catholics and the evangelicals fighting over this church. The evangelicals took it from the Catholics, and then they said it was a sign when the dome fell on the cat because it was black magic or something like that, and it was a sign from God and the angels that they should have taken this church. Now, as history tells us, a few hundred years after that, the military took it back from the evangelicals, gave it back to the Catholics, and today it's a tourist attraction for our viewing pleasure. I just checked the train schedule, and I only have an hour left before I have to go. Otherwise, there's no trains until tomorrow, so I'm really glad I checked it, but I think this is the perfect end to the day in Wrocław. I'll never get it.